Hello students, I'm Mariam Abdul Halim. I'm a teacher of geography at Alba Girls Inter College. Today I'm going to explain second chapter of geography, natural resource, land, water and wildlife. This is for class 8. So let us begin. We live on the earth. The earth is our home. The earth on which we live is called a unique planet because it is the only planet where life exists. That too are different forms such as vegetation, animals and humans in natural environment. There is a number of resources available which meet our needs of different kinds. Land, rivers, plants, animals, soil, forests, etc. are all examples of natural resources. Now, let us study about them in detail. Water resources. The earth is called the blue planet as well. It is because the earth is the only planet where water is available in plenty. Water is important for the survival of all kinds of life. 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water is required for domestic needs like cooking, drinking, bathing, washing, etc., and also for cultivation and industrial establishments. Some quantity of water seeps below the surface of the soil. Rocks forms underground water table. This underground water helps in the growth of plant and vegetation. Apart from that, water is also available in the form of snow at high altitudes, polar regions and high mountain regions on the surface of earth. Water supply. In rain, the main source of fresh water on the earth, the distribution of water resources from river, rain and underground. Water is highly uneven in the world. It rains throughout the year in some regions on the earth, while in some regions it rains only for a very short period. In the rainy season, excessive rainfall results in the floods, especially in the river basins. A number of dams have been built across the river to control. So here you can see the map of the world. In this map, this is the map of annual rainfall, world annual rainfall. So here you can see the part which is shaded in blue color. It receives above 200 centimeter of rainfall annually. The part which is colored with brown color, it receives 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall annually. The area which is shaded with peach color or skin color, it is the area which receives 50 to 100 centimeter of rainfall annually, and the light brown shaded area receives 25 to 50% of centimeter of rainfall annually, and the area which is shaded with green color, it receives rainfall below 25%. Now, types of irrigation. Types of irrigation. We have India total irrigated area is about 1/5 of her total cultivated area in India. Different methods used to irrigation purposes. Different methods are wells, tanks, tube wells. Alright. Now conservation of water. Conservation of water include both to make water available for consumption for future and to protect it from getting polluted. Then we have in the multi-purpose river valley projects, we have Bhakra Nagal project, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan, Bias project, the Indira Gandhi Canal project, Kosi project, Badhura project, Hirakund project, Odisha on the Mahanadi river. Damodar Valley project, West Bengal and Bihar, Chambal project, that is in it comprises of the Gandhi Sagar Dam, the Kota Barrage and the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam and Power